Myself, Kajal Mata. First of all, I would like to thank TEDx Sage University for giving me the opportunity to speak on power of she. And my topic is age is just a number. So, age is just a number for, like its meaning, the years passed on your calendar doesn't define you. It's your potential, your passion, your spirit that you can achieve in any age. Your goals and your dreams you can achieve in any age. So I'd like to share my journey. At the age of 36, I started as an aerobics trainer. At that time, I used to take a small studio for the fitness, and the class was only for females. Then the fees was very nominal at the rate 300 per month I used to charge from my students. Then slowly, I forgot my age, and slowly, and then I just opted for the license, international license Zumba trainer. Then I became international license Zumba trainer. Then at the age of 41, I just gave the registration. I gave auditions at the time of lockdown. Then I could take, then finally I became the semi-finalist. Then at Dehradun, the journey was very tough, very like, even I was like era of struggle era. So there I beat 20 contestants all over India, won the title of Diva Mrs. India 2021. And that time I was lacking confidence. I was like, even I was a fitness trainer, then also I can't speak in the public. I was zero in confidence. So there I learned many things. And from that time, my life changes. Then I was honored as a chief guest, as a jury member, as a special guest, and I valued the crown. I think you just be positive at any age. You just be positive, never give up, because age is just a number. You can achieve anything at any age, whether you are old or young. Just do it, don't give up, have confidence, accept failures. Laugh like you are 10, party like you are 20, travel like you are 30, and think like you are 40, advise like you are 50, and just love like you are 70. You can do anything, and the power of she. Why the woman all wants the title of super moms? Why? No one is perfect. We manage all the things properly. Then why all wants the super mom titles, that if the professional lady is doing something, they don't care about their families and children's? No. They used to do all the things very at the responsible manner. So I don't think responsibilities makes you matured, not age. So at the age of any, you're like 70, 50, 30, 40, any age you can achieve your goals. Just एज को अपने बीच में बैरियर को हटाइए और प्लीज़ पॉजिटिव रहिए, और जो भी आपका ड्रीम है वो कोई भी एज में आप फुलफिल कर सकते हैं. सो मेरा यही मानना है कि जो वुमेन्स हैं वो उनके पास, हर एक वुमन के पास, ऑल वुमेन्स हैव सम पैशंस, some dreams to achieve. So please go ahead and just fulfill. Live the life to the fullest. I request all the women. And I just want to relate fitness, ages number with fitness. Like at the age of 30, my weight was 64. And now I am running 55. My age is, oh sorry, my weight is 55. So I have struggled, I have done dieting and all, and I just improved myself better. When I was 30, I was looking like I am running 41. Now I can just, I assure you all the women and all the youth that you, anyhow, you can control your age by fitness. Do anything, yoga, aerobics, gymming, walking, anything, but do fitness for 1 hour or 30 minutes every day. It's my request to everyone. And just don't be like we have to be perfect. No. Just go ahead, don't look back and do whatever you want to do, achieve your goals. First of all, first of all, you have to love yourself. जब तक आप अपने आप से प्यार नहीं करेंगे, आपको कोई भी चीज़ लाइफ में अच्छी नहीं लगेगी. आप you just love yourself, then only you can achieve all the things. So, age, and you can achieve all the things at any age. So, if you have not started at the age of 20, start at the age of 30, and if you're not started at the age of 30, start at the age of 40, and like that. It's never too late to achieve your dreams. So thank you so much for Sage University for inviting me to speak, and I'm glad to speak, and I'm sorry if I have done any mistakes, and you just, thank you so much.